As we have discussed today in the House, the suggestion has come from one of the members from Rangsakona, and after discussing it in the House and debating it, it has been more or less accepted by everybody, including the mover of the resolution, because in the resolution also, the mover had mentioned that the government should examine the demand for winter capital. And so therefore, going with that spirit, even though the resolution was withdrawn, which will be required, but it is, you have to look at the larger implication of the message that you're sending, of reaching out to the people, of involving people and taking everybody along. And I think that message of integration is what is more important, is what I said. But yes, there will be cost factor. Like, for example, simple thing like we're setting up the integrated administrative complex in Tura at a cost of 170 crores. So all these kind of expenditures to set up these infrastructures will be required.
So